Guess what we're doing?
Hi.
There's Daddy.
Hi.
There's Alex. Hey, Dee. Say hi.
Hi. So we're going in the boat. And when we go fishing, we could do wheels there.
I know.
Hi.
We're gonna do a video of you fishing too. Oh yeah?
How long are we gonna get back?
I don't know, buddy. Hold on. Say hi.
Hi. So what you're doing is... Okay.
Alex, say hi. So, here we are.
After this, we're going fishing.
After this, we're going fishing. Let's see. Our apartments are not here? No, we can't see them. They're on the other side of the mountain. But yeah, we came to this park. And now...
Oh, someone else fell in.
Who? Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Alex, do you like it?
Hi.
Cheese.
Bye.
Say bye.
Hi. Bye.
I think half of my butt is wet.
Ow. Ow.
That's not good. Hey, we're gonna go fishing after this.
I hope there is fish don't bite here.
Hey, Dee.
Hi.
You like it?
There's water.
There's the water.
There's the water and beautiful.
You don't see anything. Say hi.
Bye. Hi. Bye.
We're going pretty fast for a little pedal boat. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna do that again. I'm tired.
2 more.
So what's up, Daddy?
How you doing? I'm thinking about something. Can't say on camera.
Do it hard. Hard.
Look at them white legs.
Should have left.
I shouldn't talk because I'm white too.
You got sexy like that.
Hard.
We should have what?
Hard.
Alex, are you driving? Yeah?
I'm saying we should have left a crap load of movies down though.
That's true.
I don't know how fly.
What are you talking about? Huh?
I want to fly.
You want to drive?
Yeah.
He's not really driving, baby. Don't worry about it.
I'm not that funny. You are?
We're going to get our bicycles soon so we can bike ride.
You
Yeah.
mean after the winter?
Oh, yeah, after the winter, we're not going to spend money now. So we won't be able to bike ride.
Yeah, snowmobile.
I know. Alright. I'm going to cut it short. I just want to show the fam what we're doing
Bye.
on our typical Memorial weekend. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Alright.